This is a revision video and is not a substitute for attending a first aid course. Remember to always follow the guidance that was given to you during your training.
Are you the first aider?
Yeah, sure.
I've got a little problem with my hand.
Okay. Take a seat. Tell me what's happened.
I've just tripped up on a wire and I've just broke my fall, and you can see I've broke it on my palm of my hand a bit.
Yeah, okay. Did it hit your head?
No,
Okay.
fine.
Yeah, something I can help with that. I'll just get a first aid kit. So I'm wanting to clean that and put a dressing on. Is that okay?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
So I'm just going to use these wipes. They're alcohol free and they are in date. Okay, so this might sting a bit, but if we can get the dirt out, it'll help reduce the chance of infection. Okay, so sorry if that's stinging.
No, it's fine at the moment.
Okay, I'll just get another one. Okay, so I'm just put a dressing on it. It's within date. Okay. Yeah, if you can just raise your hand up for me. Just got to make sure I cover all sides of this dressing. So I'm going to come around back there. Okay. So that should be fine. Okay, I've cleaned it. However, keep an eye on it. Have a look at it, say tomorrow morning. If it looks to be getting infected, seek further help. Okay? Because it's happened at work, I'm just going to get the accident book and we'll fill in that report. Okay? If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay safe.